In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly send Instagram posts to your close friends on Instagram. Okay, so this is one of the newer features on Instagram that they released. And how it works is if you are just scrolling on Instagram, and typically what happens is when you find a post, let's just say this one right here, and now you want to share that to the people that you share posts to the most often. So all you need to do is you can see the share button on the post. All you have to do is long press on the share button with your finger, and you can see it now pops up with the 4 people that are share content on Instagram with the most. So you can move your finger over the circle and it will show you the contact's name or the friend, and you can just decide which one you want to share it to. Now, when you go ahead and start sharing with a different set of people, it might change depending on who you're sharing things with. So let's just say you want to send it to this person, just let go with your finger. And then if I go into that specific chat, you can see it's in the chat, which is pretty cool. So it is a pretty cool feature that Instagram rolled out. You don't have to click multiple times on the share button to share it with a specific person. You just have to long press on the share button and share the post. And that's pretty much it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.